Are you looking to create a lead in Salesforce but don't know where to start? You're in the right place because in this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps of how to create a lead in Salesforce, and trust me, by the end of this, you'll be creating leads like a pro. Stick around till the end where I'll share an exclusive bonus so you can try out Salesforce completely for free. Let's dive right into it. First things first, once you've logged into your Salesforce account, navigate to the Leads tab. This is where you'll manage all your potential sales prospects. If you're new to Salesforce, it may take a minute to get familiar, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Next, look for the New Lead button at the top right. It's a straightforward button, but it's the key to creating your lead. Click it and you'll be taken to a form where you can input all the information you have about the lead. It's simple, but there are a few things you'll need to pay attention to. The first thing you'll need to fill in is the lead's name. Typically, this would be the first and last name of the person you're tracking as a potential client. You'll also want to include their company name if applicable. This is important because Salesforce allows you to track not only individuals, but also companies they are associated with. Next, fill in the lead's contact information. This is crucial to ensure you can follow up with them later. Enter their phone number, email, and any other relevant information, such as the website or address. The more detailed, the better, as it helps your future sales activities. The fourth thing to note is the lead source field. Here, you'll want to specify where this lead came from, whether it's from a trade show, web form, referral, or other sources. Salesforce will allow you to track leads more effectively once you know where they came from. This is essential for future marketing strategies. Next, you'll need to define the lead status. Salesforce provides several predefined options like new, working, and closed. Choosing the right status will help you track the lead's journey from the first interaction to potential conversion. Now, let's talk about some additional optional details. If you have notes about the lead, such as specific interests or products they are looking for, you can include them in the description field. This will help you personalize follow-ups and increase your chances of converting them. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click the Save button. Your lead is now created and can be tracked in Salesforce. From here, you can start managing their progress, setting follow-up tasks, and even converting the lead to an account when the time is right. So there you have it, a simple but powerful process for creating a lead in Salesforce. If you followed along, you should now have a better understanding of how this system works and how you can streamline your sales process. And remember, you can use Salesforce completely free with the special link in the description below, along with our exclusive bonus that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this extended free trial. Click the link now to get started. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out the next video where I'll show you how to convert your lead into an opportunity. You won't want to miss that one.